Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about hand towels and washcloths. All right. So one of the things, let me back up here. Remember a couple days ago, I was talking about soaps and cleaners, and a couple of weeks ago, I was talking about shampoos and body soaps, stuff like that. Well, hey, hand towels and washcloths is something you need when you're washing up. All right. Of course, I think you all should know proper use of a washcloth, washing down, you get a little soap on it, you can go around, you wash everything off. Hand towels, you have there next to the sink to get your hands dry after you wash all the grime off. Not just wet your hand a little bit and wipe the grime off on the towel and stuff and get your hands clean first. I got some nephews that like to just, Anyways, so hand towels and washcloths is something you need to add to your preps, especially hand towels in the kitchen, kitchen hand towels and stuff, because they're not just for drying your hands on, they're for cleaning up spills and stuff. But I got a bunch of paper towels. Well, do you have 10 years worth of paper towels? I don't want to sound smart or anything, but think about it. If things go really bad, the balloon goes up, the poop hits the fan, and you can't buy any more paper towels. Once you run out, if you don't have hand towels and stuff to start using that you can wash, clean, and reuse, that's the main thing, being able to reuse these towels, you're going to be in a little bit of a tight spot. So now's the time to figure out on stocking up on cloth, hand towels, and washcloths. Hey, they don't spoil and go bad. They don't have an expiration date. All right? So, as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish or stupid. And most important of all, keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicines, clothing, cloth materials, hand towels, and anything else it takes to keep you living comfortably and happy. Why? Simple. This is why.